Here at Heat Press Nation, we are extremely excited about the brand new Silhouette Cameo 5. Now this is an absolute game changer. There are tons of great features. Most notably, this machine is going to be faster and quieter by a significant portion versus the previous Cameo 4. There's also some really great new features that have been incorporated to this machine. First of all, you're going to absolutely love the optional electrostatic mat. Now this is an accessory that's available for the Cameo that allows you to cut without an adhesive mat. So if you're doing things like paper crafts or very, very thin materials, this is gonna be a complete game changer for you. Other things that have been incorporated into the brand new Cameo 5 are gonna be the powered station. So if we look at this machine right here, in station 2 on the carriage, you're gonna notice that there's a little power indicator on there. So if you're used to using products like the electronic heat quill for doing foil onto like cardstock and other applications, you know that you're gonna be connecting like a long wire to it. It can be a little messy, a little cumbersome. Not anymore. The tool now is gonna be powered directly by the cutting machine. This makes it so much easier to incorporate these really cool products into your everyday projects. Another really new feature that I think is just an improvement on something that was already great is gonna be the new pinch rollers. Now the pinch rollers here, you just lift it, you slide it, and you're done. It's that simple. There's no need to raise the whole bar. You don't have to grab it and twist it or anything like that. Moving the pinch rollers is just super simple, the way it's supposed to be. And one thing that it also gives you an opportunity is to cut much smaller matless materials. You can actually go as low as 5 inches wide using the adjustable pinch rollers. Now, one more thing you're gonna find on the Silhouette Cameo 5 is they heard us, they listened, and they brought back the repeat job button. So now when you're performing multiple cuts of the exact same graphic and design, all you gotta do is push a button and there you go. Your job is gonna instantly repeat using the exact same settings and cut file as previous. Another really, really cool feature that, again, it's something that was already good on the Cameo 4, but Silhouette, they're just not satisfied with good. They made it great. They added a built-in cross cutter. So if we turn this machine around, you're gonna notice there's no more cross cutter. So what did they do? Well, let me tell you. There's a small, very small channel running along the cut strip. So when you're setting your job to cut, you can actually set how much length you want after the job, and then your Cameo, using the blade that's already installed, your Cameo is actually going to cut it automatically so you get perfect, clean, precise cuts of your material, so you don't have to worry about adjusting, flipping, or forgetting to set the cross cutter. As you can see, the Silhouette Cameo 5 is available in 4 different colors. We have gloss white, matte black, which is my personal favorite, matte pink, and Bianco Carrera, which is a very cool marble finish. Now for more information, head on over to heatpressnation.com today.